Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome to my video postcard of my trip to Kuala Lumpur in April of 2019. I couldn't believe how many of these kid car stores there were. And in Star Wars, forget the blue milk, we got the pink strawberry milk here, guys. Kuala Lumpur does boast a modern skyline dominated by the Petronas Twin Towers. Fresh produce galore. I'm just gonna follow this lady for a while. I was quite struck by these cartoons, protests on the walls. I'm not quite sure what they were about, but colourful. Now, could you get ordinary potato chips in Kuala Lumpur? No. We had like twisties, kaboom, barbecue, curry. Cherry tomato bomb or sawadi Thai sweet chili. I mean, that was your only choices, guys. The beautiful rooftop views from the Hilton Garden Inn. Just spectacular. The Petronas Twin Towers, glass and steel glittering in the night. And away from the glittering buildings, you get a glimpse of the real Kuala Lumpur. Rain. Now we have a little look inside one of the more upmarket malls to be found in Kuala Lumpur.
Persembahan dari kumpulan pecinta bayan DBP.
With the late night kids puppet show, that's where we wrap up my video postcard from Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching.